Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're continuing the out of the box take on the cards from the March 2021 Paper Pumpkin Here's to You set. With this card, I have used one of the card bases from the kit plus one of the envelope liners from the kit, and then I added in a greeting from the Happy Thoughts set and used one of the tree die cuts from the kit, and then went ahead and added some of the in color faceted dots to the bottom, as well as using the sponge to just sponge some ink in the pretty peacock around the outside. So this is really quick, really simple to make. We're just going to fold the card base in half, and we can right away attach the DSP we've made from the envelope liner, and then we can make the card front. It's really, really simple. This one is great. Most of it's from the kit, so it just goes together. This piece is actually 4 by 2.5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my pretty peacock ink. I'm going to stamp up the just wanted to send some happy thoughts your way stamp. Make sure it's inked up really well. And then I'm just going to place it down in the top corner of the little greeting front. Just give that a good press, and there we go. Close the ink pad. And then I'm going to I'm going to reopen the ink pad because I'm going to use my sponge, and I'm just going to rub it around the edge. I'm just tapping the sponge in the ink pad. These ink pads are really nice and juicy, so it inks up really well. So that's done. Now I'm finished with my ink pad. I am going to use my adhesive, and I'm just going to put a strip along the back here, and then just a couple of little dabs on the back of the trees. And I'm making sure that I'm holding on to the trees so that I don't end up tearing them away. And because I'm not doing a full like check mark away, I have to keep advancing my my stamp and seal. Okay, so I'm just going to line this up with the corner here and the edge, and then I'm going to stick the trees down. And you can dimensionalize this on the card if you want. I chose not to. I'm just going to attach it down just like that. There we go. And I'm going to put this in the middle of the card. I wanted the card to be a little bit fun, a little bit uplifting, and that's why I chose to use kind of I'm calling it the brick background on this one, because it's a little bit fun. So then I'm going to take my pick your tool. I'm going to lift up the enamel faceted dots, and I'm just going to lay them down on the card front. Oops, that one's jumped away, but I can pick it up. There we go, and just place it down like that. And then we'll take the third one and place it down. And we are finished. Quick as that. So there is your just wanted to send some happy thoughts your way card, ready to go. Quick out of the box from Paper Pumpkin March 2021 Here's to You kit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.